we have spoke a lot about Pathar ka Gosht for Ramadan, but here at Chichaba's Taj we have the Pathar ka chicken. As you can see, it's very good for the people who don't like to eat red meat. So you don't really get Pathar ka chicken anywhere else. This is the only place in Bangalore where you will find Pathar ka chicken, where the chicken is being cooked on top of a very hot slab of stone, you know. So yeah, this is the Ramadan speciality that we have been speaking about, but here you will find the chicken version of it at Chichaba's Taj.